What's up guys, it's James from Jeeping Adventure, and today we're going to talk about how to lower your insurance, and we're going to show you my headlights. So let's dive right on in. First things first, obviously when you first buy your Jeep, your headlights are terrible. They're absolute garbage. You might not notice it compared to some other vehicles, but I notice it big time on the trails. Anytime I was around just complete pitch darkness and some other Jeeps were out of the way, I noticed that my headlights were just terrible. I had to run some other type of light or upgrade my lights. So what I did is finally upgrade them. So let me show you. Alright, so here are my headlights. They are Opar. They're just some cheap headlight I got off of Amazon. Now what makes these things so nice is they have a daytime running light, which will help lower your insurance. So when you are talking to your insurance company, you can tell them that you have a daytime running light, which will help lower your monthly bill. Very nice. This part right here, so you have a little triangle here and a little triangle here, that will be your actual headlight. Whenever you turn on your lights. So the orange will go away, all the orange will go away, and then you'll have your headlights there. Whenever you have your brights, everything will turn on and you will have a super bright light. Honestly, I haven't even had to use my brights ever. These are so bright that you're honestly good to go with just having these. So I would highly recommend them. They're pretty cheap, considering most headlights. And I haven't even had to run a fog light setup. As you can tell, I just have the Smittybilt mod, and it does not have a fog light. Which, maybe one day I might throw a different bumper on. That way I can run a fog light setup. But for now, this is what I got. And it's working pretty good. I would definitely recommend them. Now to install these is very simple. All you have to do is take off your grill, and then there's the 3 screws holding this little bevel on. The light will come out. You just plug it in and then wire it up. Now to wire the daytime running lights, you just have to throw a little fuse jumper like that. See, right here. And then you'll have those nice daytime running lights and have a little bit of a lower insurance bill. So pretty awesome mod. Yes, it will help lower your bill, which is fantastic. But also what's nice about those headlights is they come in a couple different colors. It's not just the orange. I had the orange because I have that dune colored Jeep, and it kind of changes up the look a little bit, which I like. But they have blue, I think they have red and green as well, and maybe a few other colors, but those are kind of the main colors. So you can check them out on Amazon. They are about 130 bucks, and they are super, super bright. Honestly, when I'm out on the trails, I don't even have to run my dual rigid setup that I have. So obviously they work amazing. Alright, so that's pretty much it for today. Kind of showed you how they need to be wired up. I mean, it's really simple. All you have to do is throw a fuse tap in there, and then everything else is just plug and play. So very simple. But yeah, check out my other videos. Make sure to subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and I'm going to keep on doing some cool videos. If you want to see a video get done or have any questions, make sure to reach out and comment on my videos, and I'll make sure to do those videos for you. But other than that, y'all have a great day.